Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download PartnerStack dashboard for affiliate payments setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start downloading the PartnerStack dashboard for your affiliate payments setup, first, open your preferred web browser. Next, navigate to the official PartnerStack website. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click the login button to access your account. Enter your registered email address and password, then click the login button again. If you do not have an account, you will need to sign up first. After logging in, you will be directed to your PartnerStack dashboard. On your dashboard, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. Find and click on the Settings option within the menu. In the Settings section, look for the Payments tab. Click on the Payments tab to access your payment settings. Here, you will see various payment options available for affiliates. Now, locate the option to download the dashboard or payment report. Click on the Download button to initiate the download process. Your browser may prompt you to select a location to save the file. Choose a convenient location on your computer to save the downloaded file. Once saved, navigate to the location where you downloaded the file. Open the file to review your affiliate payment setup. Make any necessary adjustments as needed. Return to the PartnerStack dashboard to complete your setup. That's it for downloading the PartnerStack dashboard for affiliate payments setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.